Many believe that roof vents installed at multiple different heights will lead to short-circuiting. The thinking is that the upper exhaust vents will pull air in through vents that are near them, and this will cause reduced intake in the lower soffit vents. This thinking is incorrect due to a misunderstanding of the stack effect. I have written a Fortran program to model multiple vents located at different heights. The link is in the comments. For example, suppose we have a roof with 10 square feet of soffit vents and 10 square feet of ridge vents, and then install an additional 2 square feet of vents in between these bottom and top vents. Here's what happens. This 2000 CFM line right here, flat line, will be the base case. That's with only top and bottom vents. We then install an additional vent located at different heights above the bottom soffit vent, as shown here. And this is what happens. First thing, the top line here and the top line here will be total net CFM. Then we have shown flow at bottom vent and flow at top vents. What's interesting is if the additional vent is installed in the upper portion of the roof, the flow at the bottom vent actually increases. Keep in mind that powered exhaust fan vents can cause problems in any configuration, as they can create enough negative attic pressure to pull air in at all the other vents along with rain and snow. That's all for today.